Getting the oil changed in your vehicle can feel like a hassle. No wonder so many vehicle owners push the limits between changes. Meanwhile, engine oil, even high-quality synthetic oils, degrade and lose protective lubrication, which can shorten the life of your engine. But what if you could optimize protection during every mile between oil changes and extend the life of your engine? You can with the BG engine service, fortified with the potent detergency and antioxidant system in BG Advanced Formula MOA. That's why automotive experts nationwide choose BG MOA 5-to-1 over the nearest aftermarket competitor, and why the BG engine service comes backed by the lifetime BG protection plan at no extra charge. Ask about the BG engine service today.
BG